थांबो टॅक्सी टॅक्सी रुके टॅक्सी
No, ma'am, not at all. Yeah, I'm ready. Maybe a little bit of points but tonight. Always.
And always, but today special.
Actually, very sorry because we are not even calling our children. When we have a mortality, but they have restrictions with the numbers of the children which we've already given the names and everything. I'm very sorry. I mean, पूर्वी का पास दिया है ना? पूर्वी का पास. Yes. इसको space थोड़ा ज़्यादा. You'll be going to Chauhan, right? Yes. Huh? So I think.
बाबू टेक
बहुत डर के बाद बस वो फोन आया सर वो अभी निकल चुके हैं
Hey, Bobby Boss, 1, 2, 3, start.
Maybe smile please.
My little girl won't
Sir. Baby.
दरवाजे बंद करें
मंगल प्रभा जी प्लीज आइए.
Where is our
So this is the first slide of Smile, the logo which is the smiling face. It depicts that whenever each step we have taken or we leave a smile behind the face and we also walk forward with a smile on our face.
throughout the day?
Yes, sir. Throughout. The Smile stands for Society Moved to Instill Love with Empathy and
Empathy.
with empathy. And here we are presenting a Montessori and e-learning project which we have done at Panvel village, and we have adopted that village. Before I go to further details, I would like to give a brief introduction of Smile, which was the founder president started by Mrs. Anakshi Shah, who is the founder president. Anakshi Shah. She has been in this field for 40 years. She has done her post-graduation social work from Nirmala Niketan. And she has been counseling distressed families, mentally retarded children, medically traumatized patients, street and slum children, drug addicts, and etc. She started Smile in 1997 with 7 other members. They have 3 projects in their hand called Udaan, Utkarsh and Umang. Udaan is a project for street and slum children which imparts quality education. It started with 5 children and today we are proud. Udaan. We are proud to say that 3,500 children we have expanded to. Utkarsh and Umang are the projects which are for women and for the senior citizens. We empower women in the project of Utkarsh, and in Umang we instill the zest of life for the senior citizens.
How do you do that?
So we take them to these parks, we make a social interactive
You give them some happiness.
yes, to extrapolate it to rural sector. She wanted to get that equality of education in both urban and rural sector. When she went across and wanted to work, there a lot of problems were there in the village, which are integral part of the village. The basis of this problem was the lack of education. So she wanted to understand what exactly other problems associated with that. And the other problems, because of lack of education, there was low self-confidence and unemployment and exploitation by middlemen. And they were unaware of the health measures and hygiene. The Smile decided to empower the villagers to make them economically reliant and provide them knowledge-based technology.
Madam, when you give education,
Yes, sir.
children had a confidence.
No,
Did they gain a confidence?
they of difference. Like after educations, they get a lot of exposure. What is the inferiority complex? The reason of that is because
Irrespective of rural or urban students.
I take both, no, urban
Both,
and right.
So confidence.
Urban, the children are still, have a lot of attraction, so they may carry it out.
Okay, sir. So after the Reiki, which she did initial Reiki, she chose Panvel village, which is 15 kilometers away from Ratnagiri city. So it has got 4 wadis, that is the Urambe Wadi, Apkar Wadi, Ghavle Wadi and Laud Wadi. The livelihood is means of agriculture and construction workers. She decided to give them, not only educate the people, but educate them the right means of farming, cultivation and irrigation. And she wanted to give tech-friendly, knowledge-based education. So these were the 2 things which she thought she should work on. So when she ventured into education and health part of it, there were 4 balwadis which up to 7th standard only. The girls.
Balwadi is Panchayat.
No, sir. Balwadis are the small schools. We can call it as this one.
Primary and secondary
schools.
school.
Primary school. You call it Balwadi.
They call Balwadi when the children are between 1 to 4, and then it is a secondary school which is a 5th to 8.
So girls, they are only studied up to 12. But ultimately they were doing only those work like farming and construction. And because of unemployment problem, because of exploitation, and they had low self-confidence. Of course, the fluency of English was very low. The health factor, so the 20 years there was no health camps. There's only one doctor for the entire village. So after studying this, the Smile ventured to adopt the local Jilla Parishad school of Urambe Wadi. They developed the walls, which were dilapidated structures, and they constructed the building. She wanted to see that her vision should reach the entire of Maharashtra. Because of her experience and eye for finer things, she noticed children under the age group of 2 to 6 years were whiling away their time in the village. Though their audio-visual reception is very high, their sensory perception and coordination is at its maximum. So she decided to tap this capacity of the children to make them better individuals. So that is the time when she thought of introducing e-education and Montessori form of teaching to the school. She adopted one school in Balwadi, Panvel village at Urambe Wadi. The duration is 2 to 3 years. And every syllabus or curriculum should be of only 20 to 30 minutes so that the interest of the children are retained for the 20 minutes. And she wanted to provide them the DVDs, the Montessori form of teaching, the toys and games and interactive classes, so that the children don't run away from the school. Basically, they run away from the school. She wanted to train the teachers and
What are
motivate the
the
parents.
dropouts, madam?
Dropouts is
2% dropout.
So 2% dropout.
2%.
Yeah. 90-80% success rate. Retention.
So now the achieved target of that Urambe Wadi school was Within a gap of 5 months, she shifted her Anganwadi to Smile Montessori, and she inaugurated that on Feb 12th of this year, and she made fully operational and 40 converted to the Montessori schools.
How do you train the teacher?
Through there are certain things which I tapped out is that teachers are also demotivated because the children are not coming regularly. So simultaneously I work with the parents and I made the school very attractive. So that is one reason how the children will come to the school, and the parents has no satisfaction because the children are not getting enough education. So all three way I will work.
Children, teacher, and students.
Yes.
All the three are working.
Right.
What is
She's
the strength
training
of
the
the school?
teachers and she's
What is the strength
motivating
of
the
the
parents.
Strength of the school is 40-45.
And they are in 7 classes.
No, this is a Montessori.
Montessori.
This
So
is
2
one-
to 6 age.
2 to
Age
6
group
age.
of 2 to 6.
And total of 45.
45.
And what is the village profile, Panvar? How many people would be there?
Village profile is like 3,500 children only. It's a small
Children?
village.
3,500 only
Sorry,
children?
population.
Population.
Population, families.
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 Not
No,
population.
total population.
Total
is
Total
population of
population
the
is
village.
just
Every
3,000.
family will be about
700.
700. Agree.
But it's a little bit far. By driving, it's about 6 hours, and so that's the
Yes,
reason
sir.
why they're making a presentation of what they are doing in the rural areas.
So ultimately, how you got that idea, Madam Smile idea? How did you get?
See, after taking my post-graduation Master of Social Work,
Social work where? Which college?
that's at Bombay University Nirmala Niketan College in 1972. My dream is to, doing something good in my life and
How
make a
did you get
difference.
that dream?
My mom is my inspiration.
Mom.
Yeah, because my mother used to do a lot of social work. So that's the reason.
Okay, see, you belong to that
Yeah, and
family.
yes, I've seen her making people happy when they are not happy. Like I've seen a very bright smile and content of my mom. So I decided why not.
Oh, that's how. What is the difference you find that your training, Smile training, up to age 6, and then when they enter to the primary, enter into secondary education, what is the acceptance level of the schools of these boys and girls? No, what I'm saying, because they have a syllabus.
Here also 2 to 6 Montessori school, and then we have a coordination with another 7 school.
That's what I'm saying. 2 to 7 you do. That means second class. They can join directly second class.
First
They
standard.
join first
They go
standard.
for first.
First standard.
First standard.
They accept.
And they accept very well. In fact, they are more and much better because Montessori is more consisted of the 6 senses of the child and discipline and the other things. So they are more brighter over there.
Okay.
They have a sponsorship program, which includes the.
Which includes the educational expense, then of course stationery and everything, then the health of
Uniform.
the child and uniform. Everything covered education. I mean, right now 350 children are under my sponsorship project. In
But number of sponsors are there.
number of sponsors are 85.
80. So each may.
Complete report, and the sponsor is
How
free
many
to.
teachers you have?
We have 3 tuition teacher, very professionals with the
for
B.Ed
for the
degree.
population of?
No, these children are going to the school for the tuition, everything, which is the core reason of dropping out. Because the parents are not literate, so nobody helped them in difficulties and homework. So whenever they go to the school, they go without doing homework. So that is, the firing of the teacher and, humiliations put them down for their interest of the school.
We conclude.
We're able to showcase
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now,
So I'm so-
what I would like to know is how many students have come out of your SMILE program?
Right now, up till now, 32 children, and they are now heading towards the higher education, which is college. Some of them are going in Jai Hind, KC
Not
College.
college. They have to go to second standard, third standard, no?
That is, yes, total 350 children.
Up to
They reached till the graduation,
300
from first to graduation.
350 children.
350 children, but 32 are being entered
But
into the
who are
college.
You are connected with only up to certain level, isn't it? What level?
No, sir. I am connected till that they make their career in here in Mumbai.
How many years you are in the program?
12 years. Now, Smile completed 12
How
years.
many guys entered to college?
32.
32. High
And-
school? High school?
High school, I say 86 children. And others are in primary section. And some of them already got the job also. So, success level is like, every year we get a 100% passing result. So, because we don't only concentrate on education, we give lot of exposure, giving them expert lectures on.
That is, can I say that you go up to 10th class level?
Right.
Eh? What?
No, sorry, I was saying it is after the 10th also we see up to the career what the child
No,
makes.
you teach Montessori. That's up to particular class.
2 to 6, right.
2 to 6. Beyond that, another school you have.
No,
So they are-
beyond that they go to the...
Can I answer, sir?
Yeah.
They have a tie-up with this corporation-run schools, 7 schools.
So they go, but you
they are
monitor
taken
them.
from here
We
and they
monitor
see
them.
that their admission is done there.
You monitor them.
Yes.
When they are
Yes,
in the
yes,
school.
yes. In the school also they are monitored.
Uh-huh.
And then after the school hours, they come here for their tuition classes, which they coach them for
Still
extra
these
subjects.
boys and girls come for
Yeah, they,
tuition.
yes, sir. That is there till
So
they
that's how
reach
the
up to a
connectivity
career
is there.
level.
Otherwise, your mission stops at 6.
Yes.
No,
Only we
no.
have
Their
school.
mission is up to the child who is able to sustain himself in the life. Like he gets a career for
No,
himself.
sir is asking our school is still 6.
Ah,
Then
the
they go
school-
to the municipal,
yeah.
corporate and government aid schools.
Yes.
No, but you monitor them.
Yes,
We
yes.
monitor
They are monitored.
closely
Follow their
till they
career.
reach to the career.
How do you monitor?
We have 14 professionals worker team and 3 tuition teacher. And every month we have general
Hello,
body meeting.
concentrate here. What we talk.
And my worker every week they report me that here is the progress of the child. So suppose if the child not attend the class, not attend the school or the tuition class, immediately home visit. So that is how we monitor. And now and we give a lot of benefits to the children. So they also wanted to be with the Smile and very strong discipline, time discipline. So if my tuition class
That is, then what's the difference between other schools and your school up to age 6?
this Montessori school, sir, you say?
And then what you are doing? I am not asking generally Montessori. Your school I am asking.
The difference is that follow and counseling and immediate solving of the problem, because this is always been
Don't
doing.
allow the dropouts to take place.
Dropout.
Dropout of the students.
In fact, we take a dropout children first if he is brighter in 5th or 6th standard, because must be the social or psychological reason. And my experience says that
You follow? How?
So they take up special cases. The dropout, they are taking
Correct.
special cases.
Dropouts normally it takes place in the school.
Takes place at all levels.
Fourth year, 5th year.
But do you see a difference in dropouts rate between girls and boys? Is that happening?
girls little more because of the cultural reason.
Girls generally drop out around primary. Start of primary is very high.
Poor family and psychological problem, they 5 to 10%.
Yeah,
So it is
time-
20 to 25%.
Time?
Yes.
Time your
Time.
time?
Yes.
Keeping the time?
Uh,
Speaking of the time, whom I am going to interact with?
Over there.
Over there, yes.
Whom I am going to
200 youth are waiting for you.
Youth means what age?
They are from the Hinduja college. Then
Oh, it's
from
a college
Smile-
level.
college level, school level, different
yours?
stream.
They are nothing
For
but
my
what?
Smile school.
No. You have to give me correct information, madam.
Sorry.
You tell me
Yes.
if I am going to address, college address means my address will be something. If there are schools, something else.
No, they are
If
more
they are-
from the college level, sir.
The age is 16 to 20. You'll be addressing the group of 16
But
to
your
20.
students will be there.
Yes, sir.
They are all college students, also
Yes,
your
sir.
students.
Yes. No, not
At
all.
least part of them.
Part
Some
of
part.
them.
Let us say that.
Yes, part of them, sir.
I'm not understanding.
Yeah, during because of the exam is going on, around 20 children are going to be over there from the Smile organization, and rest are from the different college, Hinduja, KC and other, but from the different stream, arts, science, commerce and
Out of
business.
200,
Yes,
your
20 is
students how many?
20.
They are also college
They are,
going.
yes, going.
They are also college going.
Yes.
But they will be quite different from other students.
They are,
Eh?
yes. But I'm telling you, they are different in a way, like they have a confidence, they have everything. What is, as I am telling you here, like rural, in urban area also, only one thing which has been a big hindrance to the children is the language. When they cannot speak properly, fluently English, they sometimes even don't give interview, the job is available. So we are talking with them. So that only the difference. Otherwise, they are very confident. In fact, 2 of my children are going for the MBA exam now.
These are the exceptions.
Exceptions, I definitely agree.
Generally, there's something in there, something periodically. With your smile, college student should have something unique. What that unique I am trying to understand.
The unique is that they have now an exposure. Now they have no inferiority complex to talking with the college, other college student. They have
There's a confidence there.
very, very quite.
That's
I
a
mean, you can
unique thing.
when you will meet, you will see they are very confident. And now they are initially when 10 years before they were seeing the dream of to become a mechanic engineer, a garage engineer, and the driver and watchman. But right now they says we wanted to be an engineer, an MBA, and some of them wanted to go for Navy and military. So this is the difference in their thoughts and their growth.
Maybe they have listened to Sir's voice, think big.
You are happy with the progress?
I'm very much content, and every day I feel I'm one child if come up and they says I made my career, I feel very, I think it's my pleasure, something like that. One
What's
more
your
day.
future plan? What's your future plan from here?
My future plans are like I definitely will outreach more and more, and now I'm extending to the rural area also, because I have seen a lot of strength in the rural children. Like they are very good in art. If I say something, they are very prompt also. So I am thinking of also reaching to the more villages. Like, yes, sir.
Ma'am.
Sorry. And some nice inspirational things from my son.
Knowledge makes you rich.
एक सेकंड मनु
एक करा ना इसको स्माइल में पर आखिरी बदी नहीं एक बस अरे खाली मार इसको यस यस मंगल प्रभा जी का है प्लीज हैव योर गाड़ी में बैठो फटाफट से हाँ ओ सर को देखना है
एनाक्सीमेंट
What do you want me?
Sir, she wants to written this, she wants to present it to make
Sorry. Please.
Thank you, sir. Nice.
आप भी आ जाइए
Okay.
Sir, just one thing. My inspiration, my strong support, my husband, Harshad sir. Excuse me.
Take me.
One second. Very good husband, sir.
You can take individual photograph.
Please उसको बाद में बोलो क्योंकि we are yeah okay thank you.
दादा एक मिनट
या
Okay. Got all of them.
चला चला
Mr. MP Lodha, the MLA of South Mumbai constituency, was supposed to be amongst us because a call from Chief Minister made him take away him from us. So today we would not be missing him. So I request Mrs. Bharti Sangvi and Mrs. Rashmi Parekh to assist her in felicitating Dr. Desai. Universities. He has got 9 international awards, 5 state awards and 45 national awards to his credit. So another word I would like to put across, during his term, his college got the Best College Award for 2010. Mrs. Meenakshi Suraya, please felicitate Mr. Vijay Desai. Okay, I'm sorry. Mrs. Sonal Shah, would you please felicitate our Shantaram ji out here? Try for a better living and superpower India. Your humbleness and humility is a grace which we all strive to possess. Your followers are plenty. The adjectives for you as Missile Man of India and People's President shows our love towards you. Your vision for the nation development by reducing the rural-urban divide, equitable distribution of land and water, providing value-based education, access to best health care, ensuring responsive and corrupt-free governance, alleviation of poverty, and a secure and terrorism-free nation, and a zest to ignite the minds of our youngsters, instills us to work selflessly for a superpower country. Wisdom is a weapon to ward off destructions. It's an inner fortress which enemies cannot destroy. With these thoughts from Tiruvukkural, I call upon our guest of honor to address our young audience.
Responsible for that. First, I would like to greet Mrs. Anakshi Shah, the Smile Foundation founder. And you see, the Smile Foundation lady is always smiling. You see that. Then Shri Shantaram, the Panvel Panchayat Sarpanch. I was very happy to sit with him. And Mrs. Bharati Sangvi, my friend Dr. Subhash Desai is a great doctor and social scientist. Doctor and all of you friends, students and teachers, for all of you my greetings. Now, our founder, Mrs. Anakshi Shah, has started this Smile program to generate smiles in the society, probably, yes. Smile is and another program she has got done, Smile in underprivileged children. And bring Smile Panvel Village School, Smile rural areas. And then Smile in women good cards, another area. Senior citizen Umang. Like that, Smile is going to spread in number of places for number of type of people, from children to senior citizens. Now, I have a program